Sometimes you have a SharePoint page and you have a document library web part, as you see at the bottom, and you want to be able to filter it and have a nice, easy, user-friendly way for your people that are using it. So if I click on the word silent in the category, it just matches files with the word silent. I would click on the next button over main, now it's find main. It deselected silent and found the main ones. You can also select all three at once, and you'd click on the circles and it would select all three. So how do I do this? So what this is a SharePoint list that is filtering the doc library. So I need to create a list because that's a requirement, obviously. So I'm flipping over here to Microsoft List because I prefer using it. So I'm creating a blank list, and I'm just, lack of better terms, I'm using filter doc library, and I'm going to save it in the same SharePoint site. All right. So now I need to add in my choices, those three items, silent, main, and end. I'm using the grid view, speeding things up so you don't have to see all that nonsense. All right. So now we're going to add that web part for the list. We're going to add it in here. Here we go. And I'm going to pick the filter doc library list. Now it's not going to look good right away. If you stick with me to the end, I'm going to show you how I make it look all beautiful and user friendly. Now I'm inside the document library, and I've turned on dynamic filtering. Based on the category, I'm going to use my filter doc library list, and I'm going to, based on the title in that list, because that's where I had silent, main, and end. All right, so I've enabled that. I'm going to republish my page. Here we go. So it's kind of working right now. It does work. It's not very pretty. If you click on the circles, you can filter based on those on the left. Now, if you clicked on the word silent, it would take you into the list, and we're going to fix that in a bit too, but I'm just showing you that it does work. You can select things. All right, so we got one issue is that we don't have nice buttons. So to fix that, we go to that list and we create a new view called gallery, and we pick gallery. And so there we go. We got a lovely gallery. Now it does say the word title, and we don't want that. And then how I mentioned, if you clicked on the object, it'll take you into the list. And we definitely see, here we go. We don't want that. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix both those things, and then we're going to be good to go. So we format the current view on that list, and we go into the card, and not the title one, with the bottom option there, we uncheck it, and that takes off the word title. It's that show column label, names as labels. Okay, and then to take the selecting problem, we edit the card in the advanced view, and we look for custom row action default click, and we're going to change that to default select so that when you click those cards, it doesn't go into it, it just selects them. All right, there we go. Back over to our page, and now if we click on silent, it'll do that one. If we click on main, it just shows main. You click on end, it just shows end. And if you click all the circles, it can multi-select. All right. I hope you like this. I love to make interesting videos. I shorten them up, speed things up, try and make it good for you. Hope you're having a good day.